Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. At the range now we're going to do another 3-gun comparison. This time we are comparing polymer frame double stack mag subcompact 9mm handguns, each of which are pretty outstanding. Here we have the Ruger American Compact, the HK P30SK with the LEM trigger, and the new Walther PPQ subcompact. It's important to note that there are no industry standards in regards to the size of the gun, so whether it's a subcompact, compact size, or full-size gun, each company dictates how they want to categorize their gun. So here we have the Ruger Compact, and these two are classified as subcompacts, but they all fit the same subcompact category. Each are great carry choices, very well respected companies that make each of these guns. Let's start with the Ruger American. Here we have a barrel length of 3.55 inches. They slimmed down the full-size American, came out with the compact, and it is nice. Holds 10 rounds in the magazine. They also give you another magazine with 17 rounds. All right, that is from the full-size American. Comes with a total of 3 grip modules. The one out of the case fits my hand just fine. Very nice trigger. I'll take a look at that reset right there. Does have a trigger bar detent in there. No vac sights, 3-dot. All right, 1913 rail, and a sight hole indicator on top of the slide there. Very nice gun, no question about that. I really like the Americans that Ruger came out with a couple years ago. Now here we have the HK P30SK. Here we have a 10-round magazine, 3.27 inch barrel. Let's do a quick size comparison. All right, we'll see that the American's a little bit longer than the HK. All right, no big deal. And the pick extension here is aftermarket. So it comes with 2 flush 10-round magazines, mag release on the trigger guard. All right, but you can also use, which I'm using here, is a full-size magazine from my P30 and 40 Smith & Wesson. Fits in there just fine. But back to this gun. It does have interchangeable grip panels and back straps, very consistent with HK. Does have a very light trigger until it hits the wall. It is a hammer fired gun, and then it's got a nice reset, and follow-up shots are very smooth. 1913 rail there, front serrations. This one here has night sights, but it comes standard with 3-dot luminescent sights, which I find pretty nice. Loaded chamber indicator right there on the extractor, and overall great ergos with HK handguns. With everything you can do, you can form fit your hand size pretty nice. And over here we have the new Walther PPQ SK, recently released. The grip is very short, made for concealed carry, holds 10 rounds in the magazine, and they too come with a full-size magazine. Whoop, wrong one there, here it is. Comes with a full-size magazine that comes from the original PPQ. All right, but not to be outdone, nice trigger, 5.6 pounds, and your reset is right there for the follow-up shots. Loaded down with stuff. It does have another back strap that's larger for larger hands. 3-dot drift adjustable rear sights. 1913 rail there, front serrations, sight hole indicator, and it's all PPQ with a 3.5 inch barrel. It's just a nice all-around gun and new to the market, and it has been welcomed with open arms. Comes with 2 magazines, I think I mentioned that, and these 3 guns match up very well. What I want you to do is to rate them in order which you think are the best, and I'm going to take a few shots right now and put it in there in the comments. I'll total them all up and get back with you. All right, here we are, 10 yards away. Let's start with the Ruger American Compact. All right, one thing I did not mention about this American Compact is that it does have ambidextrous controls, both with the mag release and the slide stop. A nice feeling gun, no question about it. It triggers nice, it handles nice. Sometimes I get the feeling it's a little top heavy. I will weigh all of these and put it in text once I'm not at the range, but I do like the gun. It shoots straight for me, and I feel that it is extremely reliable because I have good experience with the full-size American and now this, and each have performed very well. Here we have the HK P30SK LEM model. It's been a while since I've shot this one. It's time. Let's go. And just how I remember. I can feel a difference between this and the American. It just feels like a little more pop to it. So I don't know if it's the barrel length or the weight. I think it's a combination of both, but it's a great shooting gun. I love HK handguns, and I love this P30SK. That LEM trigger is so nice, and it just, that light trigger pull is very, very nice. Once again, an ambidextrous gun, 3.27 inch barrel, and nice handling gun. And the new Walther PPQ subcompact, 10 yards away. I tell you what, all three of these guns are very nice shooting guns. This is a great comparison. A couple things about the PPQ subcompact is that it too has ambi slide stop, and the mag release is on one side. It can be switched over to the other side, but it's a very nice shooting gun. Everything you love about the PPQ is right here in a smaller package. 3.5 inch barrel, 5.5 pound trigger pull, and all PPQ feel to it. Extremely accurate. I think I represented these guns well. So there it is, a very tight three-gun comparison. These are fun for me. Not only do I get to show off these guns and shoot them, but I get to read your comments and get your thoughts as to which you think are the best. I total them all up. I'll come back on here and let you know how it all shook out. I really look forward to that. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.